Solo Leveling fans, buckle up. If you thought Season 1 was epic, Season 2 is here to redefine the word. From Ryuji, the ferocious beast monarch, to the terrifying dragon monarch, and theories that will blow your mind, today we're uncovering everything you need to know about what's next in Solo Leveling. And trust me, Jinwoo isn't the only one leveling up. Even the theories are on steroids this time. Let's rewind a bit. Season 1 ended with Sung Jin Woo achieving the ultimate transformation as the Shadow Monarch, defeating the Monarch of Frost and obliterating an entire battlefield with ease. The system was revealed to be an otherworldly creation designed to prepare Jin Woo for his ultimate destiny. But that destiny, oh, it's way darker than we imagine. It's like graduating from school, only to find out your first job is to fight gods. No pressure, Jinwoo. Season 2 brings us Ryuji, aka the Beast Monarch, one of the most fearsome enemies in the entire series. Known for his brutal strength and cunning strategies, Ryuji isn't just a powerhouse, he's a master manipulator. Some fans believe Ryuji isn't just working for the monarchs, but might actually have his own agenda. Could he be trying to overthrow the Dragon Monarch and become the true ruler of destruction? Basically, Ryuji is that one player in a multiplayer game who thinks they're the main character. But hey, we love the drama. As the Shadow Monarch, Jinwoo is insanely powerful, but Season 2 is about to test him like never before. The monarchs are regrouping, and their next move could involve attacking not just him, but the entire world. Can Jinwoo protect humanity while keeping the balance of his shadow army intact? Or will he face betrayal from within his own ranks? Imagine Biru staging a rebellion because he didn't get enough screen time. My liege, I deserve better dialogue. Let's talk about the real big bad, the Dragon Monarch Antares. This guy isn't just any monarch, he's the king of dragons and one of the most dangerous beings in the Solo Leveling universe. He sees Jin Woo as both a threat and a tool, and trust me, his endgame will shake everything. Some fans believe Antares is actually afraid of Jin Woo, but not because of his power. What if the Shadow Monarch is the key to unlocking a power even greater than the monarchs themselves? Antares is probably sitting on his dragon throne like, why did I even sign up for this job? Meanwhile, Jin Woo is out here stealing the show. Season 2 also dives deeper into the system itself. What is it? Who created it? And why does it seem to have a mind of its own? One wild theory suggests that the system is actually a remnant of a past Shadow Monarch, designed to groom Jin Woo as the ultimate successor. Another theory claims the monarchs aren't the real villains. What if the rulers are hiding a secret that could flip the entire story upside down? It's like finding out the hero in your favorite movie was the villain all along. Plot twist alert. Jin Woo isn't fighting alone. In Season 2, we could see him summon legendary creatures as new shadow soldiers. Imagine dragons, phoenixes, or even mythical beasts joining his ranks. If Jin Woo gets a dragon summon, Beru is definitely going to get jealous. My liege, I am the original favorite. But will these new powers come at a cost? Could Jin Woo lose his humanity as his powers grow stronger? The showdown between Ryuji and Jin Woo is going to be legendary. But here's the thing, this fight isn't just about brute strength. It's about strategy, survival, and who can outsmart the other. Let's be real though, if Jin Woo brings Baru, Ryuji might just call it a day and run. Season 2 is building up to something massive. With the monarchs regrouping, Jin Woo evolving, and new secrets about the system, the stakes have never been higher. What do you think? Will Jin Woo finally uncover the truth about the system, or is there an even greater threat waiting in the shadows? Drop your theories below, especially the wild ones. Who knows, you might predict the next plot twist. If you're as hyped for Solo Leveling Season 2 as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite anime and manhwa. Don't forget to share your theories in the comments.